How to swim à 50 yards freestyle. If you are interested in competitive swimming, like to 50 yards, or 50 freestyle, follow the steps below to improve your stroke et technique en stroke strategy. 50 yards, or mete, swim it fastest en shortest competitive swimming event. Minute de taille will majorly affect overall performance, en compétition in the event it possibility most limitless. Will the event is home à 50 yards in many league in the United States, internationally, a mandated by FINA, the event is 50 meters. Reading yourself for the swim. Step up onto the starting block. When the starter tell you to take your mark, get ready to dive, but absolutely still, or you might get a disqualification. Select your entry point visually and mentally. Before you dive, pick your target in the water where you want to dive. It will help to psych you for the race and ensure correct entry. Starting off. Leap off the starting block on the starting big off. Use your leg to spring off the block into the water when the starting blarg off. Be sure to leap toward the flag and be in a streamline position before entering the water. Make sure you are not just dropping into the water de fait from the starting block. Practicing and perfecting a racing dive can be critical in lowering team. Be sure to covet most horizontal distance possible while diving. Use a powerful dolphin kick off the starting block. Continue for around 5 yards bar oblique meter or longe if desired. Do no exceed 15 yards bar oblique meter. Make sure your dolphin kick originate in your hip, and you are no relying on your knee to create a effort kick, the mistake made very often by swimmer. Performing freestyle. Swim freestyle once you break the surface after about 5 yards, 4.6 m, often derwate dolphin kick. Performant aggressive break ou. Roll on tout side, so that the arm facing down toward the bottom, tai going to pull first. Be sure to be in streamline position through the step. Do no breath on the first or second stroke from the start. Take the arm facing the bottom out of a streamline position and pull it straight back in a forceful motion. Be doing it will cause the rest of the body to rotate to the side. Recover the arm to adjust pull over the water quickly in a bu relaxed position. At the point, the arm to no enter the water yet. Engage the arm to no pull in a slightly position about 6, 8 inches, 20.3 cm, below surface. Trust arm into the water so that it completely straight en about 4, 6 inches, 15.2 cm, below surface. At the point, the arm should be slightly outside the shoulder width. Pull the arm straight back forcefully. Be sure to engage before pulling in order to maximize effect. Ropea, including both par, until you are about 2 yards away from the wall. Remember to keep your hips steady and have stamina and momentum in your arm kick. Also, rear in front of your shoulder, alt away, and pull your underwater while bending slightly at elbow for a powerful pull. Reduce drag caused by the head and shoulder. Another way of reducing drag by keeping a steady kick and no letting your hips and leg sink. By keeping your leg elevated, you are in a more streamline position, therefore you go faster. Doing a flip turn. With the final arm pull into the wall, rear and start rolling into a flip leading with the arm following through with the head. Do no dive under the water surface, flip at the surface. Bring both feet over the water quickly en place thème about 10, 12 inches, 30.5 cm, under the surface of the water on the wall. To increase the speed of the flip turn, let the body with the head and focus on a tight flip, tuck the knee, with the leg moving very quickly when above the surface. Take to flip turn it to finish it quickly and jet off the wall faster. You can not be having your hands at your side after your last stroke before the wall. So after you take your last stroke, glide to the wall with your hand by your side, and flip at exact moment, about a foot and a half away from the wall. ten, plan your front wall, and if you kept your in some position when you glided, they should already be in a streamline position above your head. Push off from the wall. You are flipped onto your back, twist to rotate to the correct position while pushing. Use a powerful dolphin kick to quickly speed up for about 5-10 yards bar oblique meter. Par of the race. Très at last par of the race just like the first par, ant some rule apply. All to Guillaume ab tired, dono slow down event slightest bit. It might cost you the race. So get up all your last strand, en forte last 5 yards, 4.6 m, sprint like you never sprinted before. When finishing, focus on touching the wall while still going as fast as possible, dono breath in the final 5 yards bar oblique meter so that you can focus on speed no on jetting your next breath. Repair until you touch the wall on a final stroke at the finish of your swim. Just make sure tweet te touche pas d'arranug so your team show up. Touche with the recovery arm so that on I above the surface, so that it move fastest en I visible. En in a sportsmanlike way. Make sure to say good race or you did great toute person you've racing. Tuck might notice you having a good attitude, what you or lost. After you climb out, thank the teamer for getting your team, which you should probably ask them after you leave the starting area. Most of them are volunteer, so it will make them feel appreciated. Warning. Don't throw a your jet all upset if you lost a race. You can control how to TP up le swim, but you can control how you swim. Don't no circle swim on the turn. Tia team in a swim race. Instead, do a flip turn. Follow all steps I explain in order to